When we solve this here in our fractional equation, the idea is perhaps to take away the two fractions on the left-hand side, okay? But remember, when you've got fractions, whether you're taking away or adding them, we need to get a common denominator. So you need to think about scaling up. And this one isn't too bad, because if you times the bottom one here by 2, you actually get 6, don't you? So if you double the 3 there, you get 6. But don't forget, then you've got to double the top as well, okay? So what you do to the bottom, double it to get 6, you've got to double the top, so we put it maybe in a bracket if you wanted to start with. Then it says take away, then, now I'm going to keep that fraction as it is because that one's already out of 6, isn't it? Okay, so the objective is to get a common denominator, and I got it there just by doubling this one. That equals then to 5 over 2. Okay, now we then rewrite this in as one big fraction. Okay, but you have to be really careful here. I'm going to highlight where you need to be careful. So it's all out of 6. Okay, now you might think about multiplying that bracket out, so you get 8x minus 2, okay, which is right when you times by 2. But be careful here, this minus applies to every term here in the fraction. So not only will it be minus 2x, it'll also be minus 7, because you're minusing a positive. Minusing a positive 7 becomes minus 7. So quite simply then, this becomes 8x, take away 2x, which is 6x, minus 2 minus 7, which is minus 9, all over 6 equals 5 over 2. Take the 6 over, because you're dividing by 6. When you take it over, you're going to times by 6. So 6x minus 9 equals, well, when I work that out, I get 15, okay. 5 over 2 times 6, so 2.5 times 6 is 15. And then, quite simply then, take the minus 9 over becomes plus 9. That becomes 24. So then x is 24 divided by 6, which also becomes 4.